Welcome to Abhi channel where simple food is made with care, love and honesty. Bachelor's show time. In every Malayali home, there's a smell that pulls you straight into the kitchen. Today, in our Kerala spatial month, we're making that memory, Nadan Chicken Curry. Simple ingredients. Deep love. Let's begin. Here is the 3 set of ingredients that needed for this easy preparation. Seems to big list, but it is very basic ingredients in all the Indian foods. Start the set 1. We need fresh chicken with bone, but I love without bones, sliced onions, juicy tomatoes, green chilies, ginger garlic paste. Set 2. All the masalas now, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala are home spices. The final set, which is set 3, mustard seeds, curry leaves, coconut oil, water, and salt. That's all the measurements I mentioned in the video, please watch it. Now you will see bachelor cooking, excited to cook now. All my dear moms, behalf of all the bachelors, I personally want to say thank you. Step 1, switch on the stove and take right size of pan or kadai to begin the happiest cooking journey. Heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan. Add half a teaspoon mustard seeds and let them splutter. Step 2, add 1 sprig of curry leaves and 2 slit green chilies. Sauté briefly. Step 3, add 2 sliced onions and sauté until golden brown like the video shown. Step 4, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry until raw smell disappears. Step 5, add 1 chopped tomato. Cook until soft and blended. Now masala mix time. Wow, the colors creates the craving now itself. Add half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder. Add 2 teaspoons coriander powder. Mix well and fry until oil separates. Remember, no garam masala yet to be added. Main ingredients time. Our chicken. Add 500 grams of chicken with bone is preferable. But I took boneless as we won't get fresh chicken here, so boneless. Let chicken mix to coat well in the masala. Closure to final step, pour 1 cup of water. Cover and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until chicken is tender. Final step, add 1 teaspoon garam masala plus a few more curry leaves. Simmer for 2 more minutes. The Nadan chicken is ready now to serve. Serve with appam or rice. Enjoy. Try this recipe, tell me how it came, challenging to you all. Your support means everything to the small kitchen Abhi channel.